Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of an inexpensive case for the Samsung Galaxy M20. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the PUSHIMEI case for the Samsung Galaxy M20. I feel like I butchered that, but it is what it is. So let's go. Now, this is another Amazon Prime pickup. So I did pick this up from Amazon, and it came really quickly, and it came really well packaged. I already cut all the tapes and seals off camera to make this unboxing experience a little bit faster and easier, because hashtag we all about the no struggles around here. So let's go. So, talking about the packaging, pretty straightforward packaging. I'm pretty much used to seeing this packaging nowadays. Pretty much when you buy from nondescript companies, this is the type of packaging they use, but it's pretty good. So barcode information up front here, and you can see this is for the Samsung Galaxy M20. Alright, flipping it over to the back, pretty standard stuff here. Case accessory, mobile case, and pretty standard slogan. I'm pretty much starting to think all these nondescript case companies that pop up are all pretty much the same company, just rebrands, but pretty good packaging nonetheless. Now let's crack into this, see what it do here. Alright, so here's the case with a little bit of filler on the inside. Let's take that out. Bam. So here's what the case looks like. Nothing else in the packaging. Put this off to the side over here. Alright. Basic filler. Don't need to worry about that. Could check that. Alright. So here's the case. And Lord knows this phone needs it, because it's a slippery beast and it's been sliding all over the place. But first impressions of the case, it looks really good. Now you can see we got kind of that denim type look or brushed fabric look, and a little bit of carbon fiber-esque inserts at the top and the bottom, so that's pretty cool. And we got our stapled shock absorption pattern on the inside, and it looks like we have all the necessary cutouts. So fingerprint sensor, cameras, USB Type-C, headphone jack, speaker grill, microphone. Alright, so let's pop it on and see what it do. Alright. Okay, let's do this. So it just lines it up. And it fits on pretty easily. Not bad. Not bad at all. That actually went right on there. And that looks pretty good. So you can see all the necessary cutouts here. Fingerprint sensor, cameras. And we have a nice raised lip for both. So a nice raised lip for the cameras. Nice raised insert for the fingerprint sensor. All the cutouts for the microphone. All that good stuff is right there. So we looking good here. We looking good. All the cutouts, headphone jack, USB Type-C, microphone, speaker. And we do have a nice raised lip there. So if I put it face down, we're not touching the display. Same thing for the cameras and fingerprint sensor. Not touching the fingerprint sensor or the cameras. And let's make sure everything works. So tapping on this, opens right up. One more time. Opens right up. So pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad at all. Alright. So this is a pretty much run-of-the-mill case here. But you know, slippery phones plus clumsy individual usually equals broken phone, so I had to go ahead and pick up a case ASAP. Now I do have a bunch more of accessories coming for the Samsung Galaxy M20, so you guys and gals be on the lookout for videos on those. But this pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the PUSHIMEI case for the Samsung Galaxy M20. Now this does come in a bunch of different colors. This is the black one, but it does come in 4 other colors as well. Let me check these colors out. So we got black, we got gray, we got navy blue, and we got red. Alright, so this does come in a variety of colors. So good stuff. But y'all know I'm a big fan of the black, the blue, and the red, but I just needed to pick up something quick, so I decided to go with the black. Anyways, that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. And as always, if this video piqued your interest, all the links to it y'all can pick up this relatively inexpensive case for your Samsung Galaxy M20 will be available down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, this whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 720p, 30 FPS, and all the audio for this video today was recorded using the Comica V30 Lite shotgun style microphone. So as always, please let me know what you think of the overall video and audio quality down below in the comments, and I hope everyone has a great day. Peace everyone. I got some screen protectors coming in and a few more cases, so we definitely got more content coming for this device. Be on the lookout. Have a good one. Peace.
Perfect.